Welcome back to the 2012 Community Volunteer Leadership Conference, the American Diabetes Association's largest volunteer gathering of the year. I'm Anna Baker here in New Orleans with Dr. Luong Tran, who has won our 2012 Health Professional Award for Volunteer Service, given to a health professional who has given their time outside of their area of expertise. Congrats on your awards.
Thank you very much, Anna, and very much appreciate and honored to be here with you guys.
I understand you've done a lot of work with the Asian American population. Can you tell me how diabetes affects that population?
Yes, and as usual, that diabetes is an issue very much affecting everyone, especially for our community, which are the Asian Americans, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islanders. The prevalence and the incidence of diabetes is very high as well. But the issue it is that it is not very much well known to others,
right,
and also among ourselves.
Right.
So percentage-wise, it is very high.
And how has diabetes impacted your family?
My family, that is a whole family having diabetes.
Wow, so it really is very prevalent.
It is very prevalent. But the point is that for our communities and for the Asian, we are kind of small frame, and that we do have a different BMI,
right,
which is the body mass index. So sometimes that it goes under the radar screen,
right,
that we are not such a high BMI to look at either being screened or screen ourselves. So that my sister, she's very skinny, and she has diabetes for a few years now. My brother, the same, and he had to be on insulin. So it's very different, for our population.
That's really interesting and important to know. I don't think many people know that.
Yeah, and so we want to point out, that for me, that as a professional and having a family with diabetes and having diabetes myself, that it is very important for us as professionals to use the information and the knowledge that we have to share with other people, which goes very much with the mission of ADA, that to share the information, to make sure that the information reaches to the level of everyone, at the grassroots level.
Well, that's a great message, how other professionals can get involved as volunteers in the mission to stop diabetes.
I do feel that as, the privilege for us to have the information and to have the education, to be very much involved and to volunteer, to send out the information as best as we can. So we can prevent the disease, we can stop the disease if possible, and to find a cure for it.
Well, thank you for all that you do on behalf of the association and our movement to stop diabetes.
Thank you, Anna.
Enjoy your time in New Orleans.
Thank you. I will. Thank you.
So many wonderful, inspiring stories here at the Community Volunteer Leadership Conference. I'm Anna Baker in New Orleans.